Yeah. So good evening, everyone. In the last videos, we have seen up to program number 16. Okay. What is this program? Sir, right rotate a list by 1 unit, left rotate a list by 1 unit. We have seen very clearly. Sir, the next application. Okay. The next application is nothing but, sir, program number 17. Program number 17. Sir, what is this program? We have to perform left rotate a list, left rotate a list by, sir, d places. Okay, we have to left rotate a list by how many places, sir? D places. In our previous example, we have rotated only one place, but now what we have to do? D places we have to rotate. Let us see how you can able to implement. Sir, same for this, we have multiple versions are there. I am explaining the first version. Have a look once. Consider I have a list is there with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, I have some elements. So I'm taking the value of D. Sir, you can give input from the user. Let us read this input value from the user. So enter number of rotations. Enter number of rotations like I am asking. Okay. So before that, let us print the value of L. Sir, now we have to rotate by D times. How you can able to do? Very simple, sir. Sir, L is equal to list is equal to list of D colon, like this I am taking, plus list of, so colon D, like this I am taking. Okay. After this, we have to print the list. Let us take one example so that you can understand well. I am explaining with the diagram, sir. See here. Sir, initially my list is what? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Like this, we have some elements are there in the list. Sir, now what we are doing? The number of digits that you need to rotate, number of shifts, is nothing but assume 2 places we need to shift. Then locations 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this we have. Now what is the first thing? Sir, D of L of D colon. That means we have to replace the value of D with 2, plus what is the next one? L of colon, and then we have to take 2. Listen carefully. From second location onwards till end, that means what? 3, 4, 5 will come here. Okay, 3, 4, 5 will come here. So plus from beginning location to 2, that means what? 2 minus 1, 1. So 1 comma 2. Have you observed, sir? Is it 3, 4, 5 and then 1, 2 or not? Left rotation of 2 bits. These 2 bits got moved to the ending. This is nothing but what we have. If D is equal to 1, we are going to get from first location to till end, and from 0 to first location. It is a very simple, and this formula came from our previous discussion only. When we are doing left rotate, okay, when we are doing left rotate by 1 unit, what formula we have written? Same thing I have copied, sir. In the place of 1, I have taken the digit. Okay. So beyond that, nothing is there here. I think you people got very clear clarity about this first approach what we have. But let me execute really whether it is giving the correct results or not. I need to cross check. Okay, let us run the program. Sir, cd space, I'm giving test. Now py space test.py I'm giving. You can see they are asking number of rotations. If one rotation, only the first element is moved to the ending. If I'm giving 2 rotations, 2 elements are moved to the ending, sir. I think you people got very clear clarity about this. No need to explain in detail, sir. Okay. And let me cover the next version also. After that, we will see the doubts clarification. In the second version, what we are doing, sir, do you know? There is one inbuilt method is there, sir. Okay, there is one inbuilt method is there. What is that method? Is nothing but from, there is one module is there, one module is there with the name collections. One module is there with the name collections. In this, there is dq is there. Okay. So what we have to do is, up to this program is the same. up to this program is the same. I am creating so one DQ by passing your list. In DQ we have a special method is there called rotate. Rotate of, you have to take how many positions? Minus D. Minus D indicates left rotation. Okay, if you want to do right rotation, then we have to use plus D. Then after this, what we have to do? Sir, you need to reconvert that DQ into list. I'm going to use typecasting. See, we converted the list into DQ because in that there is inbuilt method is there, it will rotate automatically. So whatever result we got, that object is DQ object. Again, I am typecasting that DQ object to my list so that we will get the same output. Now I will add one number extra and let us cross check whether it is working or not. Sir, is it coming? Yes. Sir, now I am giving 2 rotations. Is it coming? Now I am giving 3 rotations. Yes, perfectly it is working. This is the way how we can use these 2 versions to perform which operation? Left rotation by D bits. Okay, I request everyone to please confirm. Is this concept is clear for you people? Please confirm, friends.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear for everyone? I request everyone to please confirm. Is it clear up to this whatever we covered?
Sir, this DQ takes iterable object, right?
Yes, sir. It is going to take iterable object only.
So in terms of we can put string also, right?
Yeah, we can put. I request everyone to please respond. Still, there is no response from your side.
Yes, sir. Sir, again we have to convert that DQ into list, sir.
Yes, yes, compulsory. Because that representation is not there in our scope, right?
But this DQ is inbuilt.
Yeah, inbuilt module which we have.
And rotate.
Rotate is the present. Rotate is the object which method which is present in that DQ class. Just we are creating object for DQ and we are calling rotate method. It will take one argument. If the argument is positive, then it will move in the right direction. If the argument is negative, it will move to the left direction.
Okay, sir.
Sir, why have we reconverted to list? Sir, DQ.rotate also should be a list only, right?
No, sir. It will return in the form of Q object. Okay.
Okay.
So it will have its inbuilt structure. But
so like what will be the for DQ.rotate, if we print it, what will be the output?
Maybe it is going to return in the form of Q format, or it is going to return in the form of list only, that you cross check. But that is not our exact output, because it is going to do the modification on DQ. DQ is the mutable object. We can add the element, something like it is a data structure, stack, queue, like that. We are going to discuss this, don't worry. But that object is not our target. That's why we reconverted into list. Suppose later, if you want to do any modification, suppose assume I want to add one object. So then you can't write DQ.append. It won't work, right? So that's why our input is what type, your output should also be same type. That's why we are doing this. Sunil,
Please take a small example of this one DQ, how it is working.
Yeah, definitely. We have data structures concept is there. There I will explain. Q is there, right? In that in detail information about Q, we will have. It is one of the type of Q. We have so many Qs are there. There I will explain, sir. Definitely. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And someone is asking a good question. So actually it is an interview question. See here, sir, in version 1, not only version 1, in every version, if you take D is equal to 5 or more than that, what will happen? Sir, assume the number of elements is 5. If you want to ask for one rotation, what will happen? It will do. It will do. For example, consider the input is nothing but something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this we have. One rotation means what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Sir, if they are giving D is equal to 2, what will happen? Sir, I am going to take 3, 4, 5 and then 1 and then 2. Sir, if they are asking for D is equal to 3 rotations. So 4, 5 and then 1, 2, 3. If they are asking for D is equal to 4, then what will happen? Sir, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, listen carefully. If D is equal to 5, then what will happen? Sir, it is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Original list, right? Again, if you give D is equal to 6, sir, 5 iterations completed. Now we are doing again 6th iteration, which is equal to the first iteration or not. Right. That's why whenever your number of rotations are crossing the input size, you can apply one formula. So number of rotations is equal to rotations percentage 5. Okay. Here we have given 5. 5% 5 is what? 0 rotations. So is it the output? If you are not rotating anything, same thing will be there. And the same formula apply here. D is equal to, I am taking D percentage N. So what will happen? So 6%, 6% 5. Its result is 1. Is it the same as this one? Yes. Like that we can reduce. Okay. I think you people got a clarity. Corner cases. These are called as corner cases. Sunil Yadav, is it clear now your doubt?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in my college level, I have seen this reprogramming like that type of programs using the data structures.
Okay.
How to implement that queue, how to implement that stack.
Yeah,
seen.
we have that that is there in our syllabus. In detail we are going to discuss, don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
In Java also same concept I covered, sir. Okay, in Java also same concept we have done for the previous something like array rotations. Yeah, you can see rotations, how you can able to do. For that there are some predefined methods are there. Brute force algorithm, temp variable, temp array method, temp array method 2, like we are going to do. Same rotations only. Here you can see somewhere, have you observed? Number of rotations is equal to number of rotations percentage a dot length. Just now I explained that problem, right? Now, just now I explained that logic, right? Same thing we are doing. Okay, right. So let us go for the next version. The next version, what we have here is, so version number 3. Shantanu, please concentrate on the content. Okay, where I am getting these questions means, because I am a faculty, this is my job to collect various resources and to explain for the students. Okay. Right. Let us go for third version. Sir, what is this third version? In the third version, I am going to implement by my own. I am going to implement by my own. Sir, for that, I will call a function called left rotate. Okay, left rotate. So method one, where I will pass my list and then number of rotations. Sir, we have to write code for that. So what I am going to do, left rotate method 1, which will take a list and then number of things. Sir, in our previous example also, we have one approach is there. If you see, what is that approach? Have you observed? L dot append of L dot pop. Same operation I am going to do here by using append and pop operation. Sir, how many times? For each I value in the range of 0 to D, these many times L dot append of L dot pop of 0. Sir, take the first element from the list, remove the first element from the list, append to the last, first time. Second time, if the number of rotations are 2, in the second time also, take the first element from the list, remove the first element and push it into the last. That's all. It's a very simple operation. Nothing is there to work. 1 rotation, 2 rotations. Okay, sir, 3 rotations. Perfectly working, right? Like this, we can see number of rotations. Okay. Now, so the next one, of course, last version, what we have here is nothing but, sir, there is one reversal method is there. By using reverse also, we can calculate, sir. Okay. How I am going to do, I will explain with the help of a small program. Left rotate, let us take method 2. In the method 2, what I am going to do is, I will try to find length of the list. After that, I will apply reverse function by passing the list 0, D minus 1. And I am calling reverse by passing the list So D comma n minus 1. And I am passing the list by passing L comma 0 comma n minus 1. Okay. What is that reverse function? Reverse function is going to perform reverse of the list. Reverse function I am taking where it is going to take a list. Sir, what it is going to do? It will take some extra parameters like beginning and then ending. So until the value of a begin is end less than end, already I covered this. So L of a begin comma L of ending is equal to L of ending comma L of beginning. Then beginning is equal to begin plus 1, ending is equal to ending plus 1. That's all right. Sir, sorry, ending is equal to ending minus 1. Sir, I will explain practically how it is going to work. Let us take one simple example. Sir, my list is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Sir, I want to rotate by 2 bits. Sir, what is the first operation? Can you please reverse the list from 0 to D minus 1? 0 to D minus 1 means what? So D is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 means 1. So 0 comma 1. These two positions, they are going to reverse. That means what will be the output? 2 comma 1. Then next one, reverse from D to n minus 1. D means what? 2. 0, 1, 2. From this I want to reverse. So that what will happen? So 5, 4 and then 3. Like this we are going to get. Now what we are doing? Can you please reverse the entire list? So 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Is it our required output or not? Yes. Like this also we can do. So first we are reversing that number of rotations and we are going to reverse the rest of the part and we will reverse the total content. So the entire list rotations is going to be performed. If D is equal to 3, first 3 numbers you have to rotate and you need to rotate the remaining elements in the list, and total list whatever you are going to have, you need to rotate. This is nothing but the concept what we have here. I think you people got very clear clarity how we can able to work with this list rotate by using method 2. Okay. Sir, I request everyone to please confirm. Is these concepts are clear for you people? Please confirm. Yes, please confirm everyone. Clear up to this whatever we covered? Please respond. Thank you, Shushant Chauhan. You covered all approaches. Good, good, good. Right. Sir, now what is the next one? Sir, 17th program we completed. Same 18th program, but the only modification is right rotate. Okay. Sir, once if you know how to do left rotate, same concepts will be there. Same 4 options we will cover here. In the first version, what we are going to do? Sir, very simple. I will do inverse, sir. Version 2. Okay. And version 3 and version 4. So because this function is already written, let us complete this. Sir, in this I will do only one modification. In the place of left, I will take a right rotate, and do you know reverse of, in this case left rotation, first we have reversed the number of rotations, then rest of the list, then the total list. Now here first I will rotate the total list. I mean first I will reverse the total list. Then I am going to rotate the number of digits that you need to, the number of values that you need to rotate. So after that remaining. Sir, first let me execute this code. Let me explain. So consider my list is nothing but 1, 2, so 3, 4, 5, like this we have. So number of digits that you need to rotate is nothing but 2 positions. Sir, what is the first operation? Reverse the total list so that your list will become 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now what they are expecting, rotate 0 to D minus 1. D value is 2. That means you have to rotate these 2. So your list will become 4, 5. Then reverse d to n minus 1. So it will become 1, 2, 3. Is it our expected output or not by rotating the last 2 digits to the beginning? Yes. Simple approach. Only change is from here I moved this particular function to the beginning. Okay. So this is nothing but a very simple approach what we have. Sir, it will work, sir. Let me cross check. I am giving 1. Sir, that 6 came to the beginning or not? 2. Sir, is that 5, 6 came to the beginning or not? Yes, this is the approach what we have. I can say this is nothing but which version? 4th version. Sir, what is the 3rd version that we have covered for left rotate? This one, right? Sir, same thing I can do like this. So in the place of left, I am taking right rotate. Okay. What modification? Sir, here we have appended. That means we are popping the first element. We are moving to the ending. But now what we have to do? We have to pop the last element and we need to insert to the beginning. Sir, in the last videos, I covered very clearly about how it is going to work. Now let us run. Sir, I am giving L dot, is it correct? So no, one extra bracket came. Now you can see. Now you can see. Sir, 1 position. Yes. Sir, 2 positions. Yes. 3 positions. Yes. Perfectly it is working. This is the way how we can able to perform a right rotate by using 3rd version. Okay. How you can perform right rotate by using 3rd version. Sir, next, what is the first version? Sir, already we know, right? The first version is nothing but if I have a list like 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So first I will print the list and I want to read the value of D dynamically from the user. So enter number of rotations. Okay. Enter number of rotations. I am going to read this value and then I think better first to print this and then we are going to read. Now what we have to do? Sir, here somewhat a tricky program we have to write. So L is equal to L of length of list minus D colon till end plus L of, so beginning to length of list minus D colon. That's all. Now you have to print the list. So let's explain this process. Now consider I have a list like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Now what is my requirement? Sir, we need to get number of rotations, number of places, let it be 2. Okay. So what we have to do, or let me take 3, sir, every time we are taking 2. So length of list, what is the length of the list? 5. 5 minus 3, that is nothing but 2. So 0th location, first location, second, third, fourth. So from second location onwards, okay, from second location onwards, try to get to the beginning, sir. That means this value we are going to get as a new list. Plus, sir, colon, from beginning to length of list is 5 minus 2. Okay, minus the position is nothing but 3. Sir, its value is nothing but what? 2. So that means from 0th location to 2. That means up to 0, 1. These are 2. Now if you combine, we are going to get 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2. Sir, is it right rotation or not? No, I think so, right? Because 1 second, let me check. It is coming correctly. If the number of rotations is 3, yeah, 3, 4, 5, yeah, correct, sir. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Like this, we are going to get. This is the way how you can write in the formula, sir. Okay, by using normal approach, how you can able to work. Coming to the next version, what we have already DQ related method is there, right? We can apply that. So the only change is nothing but what I told in the beginning itself. In the place of a plus D, I mean minus D, you have to take plus D. So plus D indicate which rotation? Right rotation. Okay. Let us cross check whether it is going to work or not. We have 6 element, 1 rotation. So 2 rotations. Sir, 3 rotations, 4 rotations, like it is going to work. These are nothing but how we can able to implement a Python program to perform rotations on list, sir. Okay, all possible combinations I covered. So if you are not understanding clearly, please try to practice. Without a practice, nothing is possible, sir. I think you
Sir,
people
version
got
4 once
very
again
clear
explain.
clarity.
Sir,
Any doubts
version
up to
4,
this?
sir, version 4, can you explain once again?
Version
4, this one, sir. That will was.
sir, already in the beginning whatever we covered, same thing, sir. Suppose if you have a list like this, so what we are doing, first we are reversing the total list. So means what, we are going to get a 5 4 3 2 1. Then assume I want to rotate by 2 bits, 2 positions. Then from 0 to d minus 1, that means 0 to 1 we are rotating. So this is 0 1 2 3 4. So 0 to 1 we are rotating means what, these two positions we have to shift, that means reverse. So which will become 4 5. Then remaining from d to n minus 1, d value is what, 2. So 2 to the total length is 5. 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4. Remaining values we are reversing. So 1 2 3. So this is nothing but last two elements came to the beginning, right rotation. Clear? Sir, I request everyone to please confirm, is this left rotation by 1 unit by d positions, right rotation by using 1 unit d positions? Is it clear for you people? Please confirm everyone. Is the concept is clear for you people?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
Right. So next programs are easy programs. I think you can able to analyze the solutions. What is the count? 18th 19th program. What is the next program is merge two lists into third list. We have to merge two lists into third list, sir. It is very simple, right? So we have multiple ways are there for this. So familiarly you can go with the two ways. Consider my list 1 is equal to, I have so 1 3 5 2 and then 4, and my second list is nothing but something like 6 8 7 9 10, like this I have. Sir, now I'm going to call L3, list 3 is equal to, I will define a function which is going to take L1 and then L2. So then I want to print L1, I want to print L2, I want to print L3. All these three list objects I want to print. So I need to take a function which will take two list objects. Sir, I will take one empty list. For each element present in list 1, try to append to the list. This is copying the first list objects into temporary list. Sir, same operation I am repeating for second list also. Sir, what will happen? It is appending all the elements present in the second list also into first list. Then I will return that temporary list. Now, is your requirement got satisfied or not? You can see. So 1 3 5 2 4, it is already there, and 6 8 7 9 10, it is already there. Sir, these two list objects got merged. These two list objects got merged. Sir, can I replace this entire code with L1 plus L2? Yes, happily we can do, no problem, because we have plus operator is there, right? It will perform concatenation of two list objects. It will perform concatenation of two list objects, no problem. Happily it is going to work, sir. I think you people got very clear clarity about this approach also, merging two list objects into third list. Sir, continuation for this one more program is there, let me cover. So merge two list into sir third list, two list into third list, and sort that list. Okay, we have to perform sorting operation. Sir, it is same like previous program. Okay, but what we have to do, Sir, I will go with that approach, whatever I covered, sir. Okay, L1 plus L2. Sir, try to take L3 is equal to or L is equal to L1 plus L2 and L dot sort. Now you can return L. Sir, what will happen? In addition to the previous, now each and every element got sorted in this list. Sir, don't perform, okay, don't perform sorting and then appending. First append and then sort. There is a difference is there. Okay, this is nothing but these two programs, like how you can able to merge two list objects, and after that how you can able to perform sorting operation. Sir, is these two programs are clear for you people, guys? Please confirm.
Yes, sir, clear.
Friends, requesting everyone to please respond. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir. Sir, in the first, in the merging, we can do L3 is equal to means comma variable argument also we can do star L1 comma star L2.
Yeah, we can do.
Output would be means it works as a concatenation, right?
Yes, it will work as a concatenation. Right. Now, so the next approach, sir, what we have here is, I mean, the next problem, 21st problem. So who has the majority? Okay, who has the majority? It is a small interview question actually. Okay, so let us give the statement. Sir, they have given a list of size n. Okay, of size n, and we have to return an element. We have to return an element. So which appears, okay, or return an element's position, or location. So which appears, so greater than, okay, so greater than n by 2 times. So they have given a list with the size n. We have to return an element or element's position which appears greater than n by 2. This title is called as majority. Let us take some example. I have a list is there with elements 8, 3, sir, 4, 8 and then 8. If you see here, what is the value of n, number of elements? So 3, 4, 5 is there. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. What is the value? I think we are going to get 2. So what is the output for this program? Is there any element which is appearing greater than 2 times? Yes, you can see 3 is repeated only 1 time. 4 is repeated only 1 time. But 8 is repeated 3 times. So the output is nothing but 8. But its position it will return. So which is nothing but 0. What is a position? It is nothing but 0. Or it can return 0, 1, 2, third position, or it can return 4. But the element is nothing but what? 8. Let us consider one more list. Okay, let us consider one more list. Sir, I have 8 is there. Okay, 7 is there. So 6 is there. Again 8 is there. Again 6 is there. 6 is there. 6 is there. 6 is there. So what is the value of n here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 8s are there. Divided by 2 is nothing but 4. Okay, which element is appearing more than 4? 8 2 times it is there. 7 no. 6 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, 6 is nothing but the result. But the locations 0 1 2 or 3 4 or 5 or 6. Okay, or 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 7. So the element is nothing but what, sir? 6. Like this they are expecting. Suppose if you take a list, with 3, okay, so 7 4 7 7 and then 5, like this if you are taking. So what is the value of n here? 3 plus 3, 6. 6 by 2 means what? 3. So what is the output? The element which is appearing more than 3 times, not 3, more than 3 times. Is there any element? No. Then output should become -1. Like this we have to return, sir. It is a very simple program, sir. Nothing is there. We are going to maintain the counter and we will return. Beyond that, nothing. Sir, can you please confirm, is the problem statement, is it clear for you people? Because once if you are clear with the problem statement, directly we can go for executable code. Can you please confirm everyone, is the concept is clear, sir?
Yes. Sir,
Yes.
sir, we can take one more condition as a 4 element and 2 elements are same.
Yeah, we can do that, but just I'm explaining at a top level, sir. If you want, you can go for in detail. Suppose if any element is appearing, same element is appearing with the same frequency, then you can decide which one is less, we can print that, or which one is having last occurrence, that we can print that. Depending on our constraints, we can add, no worries. But
Okay,
just a basic example I'm explaining. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Yes,
if the same element is appearing only twice, what will be the
that's
result?
what I told, sorry. Just now we have given the solution for that, right? In the problem statement, such type of cases are not there. Suppose if you have such type of cases, maybe the first occurrence we are going to return. Okay. Suppose consider here we have 8 is there for 2 times. Suppose consider we are going to have 3 also. Okay, 3 also, sir. Some other times also, if 3 element is also appearing 3 times, then what we have to do, which element is first appearing, that we have to return. Okay. Clear? Please respond, sir, after asking the query. So let us go for executable code. Sir, we can take any list. Let me take, in my example, I will take all the list, sir. Okay, I will take all the list and I will work on this. Let us see what will happen. I will define a function. That function is going to print this data. Okay, so I will call print of function of L. Better I will substitute this list here. Okay, I will substitute this list here. I'm going to take second list. I'm going to take third list. Like this I'm taking. Now, sir, I'm going to define a function. That function is going to accept a list L. Sir, initially I will find out length of the list. Then, sir, for each I value in the range of 0 to n, this loop is going to select the first element. Okay, this loop is going to select the first element, sir. This loop is going to select the first element, and I am going to initialize my count is equal to 1 time it is appearing. Okay, for j value in the range of I plus 1 comma n. Means what? If I am selecting the first element, you need to compare with remaining all the elements. Okay, suppose if the element which you have taken so is equal to with the next element also, then your count is varying, right? So it is repeated element. So I am going to increment the count by 1 unit. So like this, I will check for every element. So in the first case, what will happen? It will take the element 8. Okay, because L of 0 is nothing but 8. It is compared with first location, second location, third location, fourth location. What is the length? So 5. Sir, up to fourth location it will compare. Is 8 is available in the first location? No. Is it available in the second location? No. Is it available in the third location? Yes. So for this count will become 0. Now it is sorry, initially it is nothing but 1. For 1 it is not matched, for 2 it is not matched, for 3 matched count will become 2, for 4 matched count will become 3. Sir, now once if you came out from this loop, how many times that element is available we got. Similarly, second element how many times. Similarly, third element how many times. Like this we are going to check. Sir, if that element count is greater than n by 2, we can print that element. Otherwise, what we need to pick up the second element and you have to check. Sir, now after completion of this J loop, I am checking. Array boss, whatever count you have, is it equal to n by 2? Then, so we have to print or we have to return that index. So if you print, you will get all occurrences. If you return, you are going to get only that index value. Sir, I don't want that index value, that element I want. No problem, you can take L of I. It is going to return that element. Sir, if no element is there, can you please return -1? So what output I am expecting? Just now we have checked here. So what output we are going to get for first one? The element is nothing but 8. Okay. And in the second case, the element is nothing but 6. And in the third case, there is no element -1. Sir, let us dry run this code. Sir, is it working? 8, 6, -1. Yes, perfectly working. So just we are comparing the equality for the elements. Beyond that, nothing. I think you people got very clear clarity about this particular algorithm. Can you please confirm everyone? Is the concept is clear for you people? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please confirm everyone. Is the concept is clear? Right. Sir, next two programs are easy programs. Let us cover those programs. So what is the count? 22. So the next program is nothing but a 22.
But sir,
So-
pardon me, actually, but you were trying to get the positions, no? But not the element, right?
If you want to get the positions, then what we have to do?
Just we have to print the I.
Yeah, just we have to return. Sorry, we have to return that I.
But
all.
sir, at the first iteration, it will get stopped because a return statement will give you the
second, one
first
second.
element itself only.
1 second, it is not working. I think so. If you take return,
Yes,
I,
yes, it will not work. It will not give you the all the positions.
no, it won't give all positions. At least, no, we are not expecting all positions. So we need first occurrence.
Yes, because
0,
yes.
0, 2, and then -1. Is it correct? 0, 2, -1. Yeah. So if you want to get all occurrences, then you need to take another list and you need to append that and you have to return at the end. That's all. We don't have any other option. Let us take another list. Whenever this condition got satisfied, then LL dot just you need to append that index values. Finally, you have to return the list. It is also not giving all the occurrences.
No. At the final return, you have to mention their -1. But after appending that, you have to return here.
No. So once if append operation completed, it has to take the second element also, right? But in the output, we are getting the same values.
So take that empty list and that inside that loop, sir.
Sir, within that loop, you have to take the
So
list.
take that empty list in that LL in the inside that loop and append after if condition, you can write that append operation, sir.
No. If count is
After,
n is
not if this is that above. If L1 of equal to L.
No. It will check, right? It after coming out from this loop only, we will get the solution whether that.
We want that positions we want. That's why we are getting that append. Not here, sir. This here. Here, sir.
Sir, please tell me line number, sir.
That line number after line number 8 or you can take L1, LL is equals to LL dot or append. You can take that I values. After
Sir,
8, line number 8, after line number 8.
No, here we can't.
Here you can take that.
No, I think it is not.
Inside
correct,
if only you can take, sir. Not.
No, sir. How you can take inside if? Because it is counting, right?
Return that LL, sir. Here return that LL, sir. Once check that, once check.
No, it won't work, sir. No, no, no. LL dot append we can't take here. The reason is it is checking. First of all, you need to check.
Not I, J can take, J also.
Sir, your statement is wrong, sir. You can't take like that, because here we are checking. This loop is meant for comparing whether that element is repeated or not. After repetition only we can able to get conclusion. Till that we won't get. Okay, sir. You try to do it as assignment, sir. Then we will check at last. So what is the next one? Find union of two list objects. Sir, what is mean by union? Very simple. You already know this union concept, right? Suppose if you have two list objects, like L1 is equal to something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and L2 is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you please tell me if I am taking, so L3 is equal to function of L1 comma L2. If I print L1, I am going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, if I print L2, I am going to get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Sir, if I print L3, what output I am expecting, sir? Sir, I am working for union operation. Union means what? Yes, tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Combination
1,
of
2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
6,
7,
7, 8. That's all. Every element present in both the list at the same time, repeated elements you have to take only one time. This is nothing but the concept of union. I want to do this. In the set theory, we have already union function is there, but for list, we don't have any functions. We have to do it manually. I am taking one empty list. First, for each I value in list 1, I am going to pick up one by one element from the list 1, and I will check array that number is not there in list 1, means happily you can able to append that value into list, not list 1, list. So I am checking if that element is not available. That means to avoid duplicates. If that element is not available, I will append. So this process will continue for all the elements in L1. Now for each element in L2, I will check if that element is not already existed in the list, then only you have to perform append operation. That's all. At last, what we have to do? We need to return the list. Now, is it going to return, sir, union of two list objects or not? Yes, you can able to see union of two list objects. We got very clearly, sir. I think you people got very clear idea about how to work with this union. Okay, union, how you can able to work with this union. Now, sir, what is the next one? Once if you complete union.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the same question, if we will interchange, if we want to take the difference of these two digits.
Difference of?
Two digits, two list.
Difference of two list means?
Means
Sir, means if I want to delete 1, 2 element from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 list.
You need to delete elements from
1, 2. Suppose L1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
Okay.
L2 is 1, 2.
L2 is
1, 2, and I want to delete the L2 from L1.
that means this 1, 2 you have to remove. Your output should be 3, 4, 5.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, simple. We can write create a list, empty list. So something like L3. Then what we have to do? Select the elements. So from L1, select the elements from L1. If that element is there in L2, don't append. If that element is not there in that L, you can append.
Okay. Okay, sir. Got it. Thank
Yeah,
you.
right. So this is union operation, sir. Next one is what? Intersection. Intersection means what? Common elements. Common elements. So I am expecting 4, 5, right? How you can able to do same operation? I will create an empty list. I will select one by one element from L1. Suppose if that element is there in L2, if that element is there in L2, then only append. This operation is not required, right? So what it is going to do in the first list, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. So in the second list, so we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is there. What they are expecting? So they need a list with common elements. So I will create one empty list. In that list, I am going to store the values for every element present in the list one. First, I will check one. Is one is available in this? If one is available, we need to put it. One is not available. 2 is there in this list? No. 3 is there in this list? No. 4 is there in this list? Yes. Then put 4. So is 5 is there in this list? Yes, it is there. So I can say these are the only 2 common elements. We are returning that. Sir, very simple operation. Now let us see what will happen. Is it working? Yes. This is the way how to find union and intersection of 2 list objects. Everyone, can you please confirm, is this concept is clear for you people?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir, rather than taking that much code, we can convert it into the set and then directly using the function of
Order is not preserved in the set, right?
Yes, but it is not asking. They are not asking for order, no?
Yeah. If the order is not important for you, you can convert it into set. If order is important, then this is the approach what we have.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So consider I have student data is there. So I have student roll numbers with full data is there for around 100 students. So the student who secured top 90% marks in the first internal, I don't want to consider as the merit marks for the second internal. So means I have 100 students are there. In that, some 5 students got merit marks in first internal. So I want to give some cash prize. I announced that price. Now again for the 100 students, I conducted second internal examination conducted. Now I have result in my hand. So in that result, there may be a chance of getting first student, those who have secured cash prize. Maybe he is present. He got merit marks in the second internal also. But in my rule, I don't want to give prize for him. Then what we have to do? So excluding that 5 members, remaining merit you have to consider. But that is not possible, right? Because in that 5%, we can't give guarantee that 5% are there in the merit in the second case also. We can't give. That's why what we are going to do, second merit list I have. In that, if any top person is coming, I need to check whether he already got the marks or not. So their order is important, right? So in such cases, we can't use a set. Got it? There are some situations, sir, depending on our requirement, we have to go. Okay. Right. Sir, some 2 programs are there. Anyway, we will complete those 2 programs in the upcoming classes. So with this, how many chapters we completed? So almost 3 chapters or 4 chapters. I think 5 chapters, right? Yes. What is the first chapter that we covered? I think better to write in the last. So what is the first chapter we covered, sir? Anyone remembered?
Sir,
Algorithms and analysis. Analysis of algorithms we have seen. Okay. Next, I think in the second chapter, we have seen approach. Okay, approaches to solve the problem. And so in the third chapter, we have seen sample algorithms and implementations. And in the fourth chapter, we have covered data structures, right? Data structures, inbuilt data structures in Python. Okay. And in the fifth chapter, so we have covered list or array programs. Around some 2 programs are pending that we will discuss. Sir, tomorrow we are going to discuss about programs on matrices programs we will discuss. I'm not concentrating full on matrices programs. Maybe some 10 or 15 examples we will cover. So maximum tomorrow I will wind up this matrix program, sir. I will take some 1.5 hour session like that tomorrow. Okay. I will try to wind up matrices programs, and immediately I need to jump to very, very important topic called recursion. Okay. I need to start recursion concept. Slowly we are entering into data structures. Okay. Right. Thank you, sir. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. I will upload the
Sir.
notes within few minutes. Yes.
So what is the class timings tomorrow? You said 1.5 hour, right?
Yes, sir. It will start at 8 o'clock only, sir. Maybe up to 9:15, 9:30 like that I will take.
Oh, okay.
Sir, in the same program now you are just saying about to print the duplicate values from the two list, means it just work like that. Mean common values we have to print.
Yeah,
So
that's all.
For
That
this,
is,
for this, we can use a count method, and we can use zip function to iterate through this directly using.
yeah,
for
we can use, no problem.
Means doing that, we can use one for loop, and we can use zip function, and we can do two I1, L1, and L2.
Yeah, we can do that, sir. We can do that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, try to solve different approaches. Whatever idea you are getting, try to put it into the executable code. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, sir. See you tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.